Hey everybody, welcome back to the BoxWorks News Desk. I am so thrilled to be joined here by Jason from Grooper. Jason, tell me a bit about yourself and your company.
Yeah, so my name's Jason McManus. I'm Chief Revenue Officer for a company called Grooper. And we have been partners with Box for several years now, and we develop essentially a Swiss Army toolkit of tools that help complement Box environments.
Awesome. Yeah, tell me a bit more. What kind of sparked the initial partnership? What are the complements between Grooper and Box?
Yeah, great question. So I've been in the industry for 27 years now. I've worked with just about every one of the archaic old ECM platforms on the market.
A lot of them out there, aren't there?
There are a lot of them out there. And over the years, it became harder and harder for us to meet client expectations with some of those old platforms. They just didn't move very fast. A lot of setup time, a lot of professional services. They weren't adopting some of the new cloud methodologies, some of the new modern compute methodologies. And we found Box, and Box really fit that void for us. It allowed us to meet client expectations. It gave us a technology we could complement that we really felt like we could take to market and solve problems for our clients.
That's awesome. Imagine those same companies trying to jump on the AI train these days.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's great to have partners like you who are looking for those ways to help their clients. So tell me a bit more about our joint customers. What can they expect when they're working with Box and Grooper together?
Yeah, so there's several things that we do. As I mentioned, there's not just a single thing that we do for Box customers. So the first is what we've historically in the industry called IDP, Intelligent Document Processing. You got a warehouse full of paper. You need to get that paper scanned, digitized, organized, and indexed, and put into Box.
A lot of work.
Yeah, absolutely. So we automate that. So end users don't have to do a whole lot of this, a lot of keystrokes, a lot of prepping and sorting and those kinds of things. We also do a lot of data migrations. A lot of Box customers formerly had those archaic platforms, and they want to get that data out. They don't want to keep those systems up and running.
It exists somewhere, got to get it inside of the new place.
Exactly,
right?
Exactly. So we migrate it, but we don't just migrate it, because if you have garbage in an old system, you don't want to create a new pile of garbage somewhere else.
100%, yeah.
You want to fix it. So we do that. We add metadata, we can add classification levels, we can full text OCR everything, and we also can flag things like we found some PII on this, and we found a social or a credit card number. This will allow Box to apply different levels of security to it. And then we've also added some new AI search capabilities that allow us to search in natural language, do really, really complex searches, but do it very easily from a user perspective.
Yeah, I love that. Yeah, I was going to say, tell me a bit about your roadmap, kind of what's exciting for you guys looking forward. I'm guessing AI is probably part of that.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, we've done a lot with LLMs and all the new stuff, but our newest feature we're adding is related to what the industry is calling RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. So not only can we search into, say, Box to go find documents, but what if I need to make a decision on what to do with one of these documents, and that decision is based off data off a system of record, like an ERP or CRM system, student information system. So we can connect to those as well. We can apply LLM intelligence to automatically tell the user yes or no, as far as approving this transaction. Don't approve this invoice, do approve this student to the College of Engineering, all those types of things. So that's something we're really excited about, really what we're calling knowledge empowerment. We really think it's going to be the next generation of what we're able to do with our partnership with Box.
Yeah, I love that. We know there's more data than just your unstructured. There's other things that help influence those decisions. So it's great to have partners who are helping us solve that problem. Jason, Thank you so much for being here at BoxWorks today. Great to meet you. And thank you all for tuning in.